welcome to my nookery. My name's Linda and I've been to Hobbycraft here in the UK. Now I know you're all aware that I'm part of Yarny Fibre Sisters, and some of our, well, come up with a few ideas because we're coming into, well, it's supposed to be spring and summer, so we want to use our cottons. So I decided to have a nip in to my Hobbycraft and see what cottons they had. I know I've got my Turkish cottons from Ice Yarn, but I needed worsted weight, and I knew that a Hobbycraft sold sugar and cream, which is a 4-weight, and let me see, it's a 4-weight 5mm hook, 4.5 knitting needle. This is called Faded Denim, and there are 56.7 grams, 2 ounces, 95 yards, 86 meters, and apparently there's a pattern on the label. I don't know, but let me just see if I can see a pattern on the label. Oh yes, there is a pattern on the label. What is it? Oh, it's a string bag. Oh, I'll have to have a go at that. So let me just get the yarn back in the ball band, because you know I don't like so I bought, and they were £3.30 for one, and so I got, these are the colours that I got. I'm going to make a cushion cover, a circle cushion cover. So I got them, I got the white, and I got the so they're the colours that I'm going to use for a cushion cover. And while I was there, they had this Lily Sugar and Cream Bright Ideas, and so there's 17 ideas, and we've got the sun-based pillow, which is what I'm actually going to do, which is why I bought the yarn. I want to do that. So we've got sun-based pillows, zigzag pillows, hexagon pillow. I like the hexagon. The graphic pillow, ruffles, spiky stripe pillow, pinwheel, diamond motif, dog bed and kerchief. We've also got mod flower dishcloth, primrose dishcloth, frame posy dishcloth, daisy wheel print dishcloth, and we've got 4 different monsters, if you can see them there, 4 different monsters. We've got a lovely zigzag throw, which I think is really pretty. It's there. We've got a doll, and we've also got a rug, and it also says learn to crochet instructions and helpful hints. I paid £5 for this, so yeah, and it's really good. I can't really show you, but if I put that there, each pattern has all the instructions, tells you what you need and everything, and that. So yeah, so I thought, well, for that good instructions, look at that that one's nice, isn't it? That's the primrose dishcloth. Look at these monsters, guys. Aren't they just adorable? Aren't they adorable? What else have we got? Let's see if there's any pictures I can show you. Look at the little dolly. I'm just looking for the big pictures because obviously I can't show you the Let me just see if I can just show you the rug. Let's see if I can show you some nice pictures of some of them. Look at the dog bed. Look at the little dog, isn't he a cutie? With his kerchief on. This is the pinwheel pillow. So there's some really good, some nice pillows and that. So yeah, so I thought, why not? So that is my little purchase from Hobbycraft. So on Saturday, when the Only Fibre sisters were in the UK, on the Saturday, we were talking about cottons, and I showed you some of the UK cottons that I get here. And so we want some ideas, guys, on what you would like to make using cotton. I've got a few ideas, guys. I've got a few ideas. I'm definitely going to be doing that. I'm going to be doing some washcloths and that. And I've got some, yeah, I want to do wearables. Me personally, I want to do some wearables, but I also want to do other things as well. So that's what we're going to do. So that little lot is was well worth the walk. I walked there. It's about a mile and a half, and there were other shops there. It's like a shopping mall. Well, it's not. It's a retail park, actually. It's not a shopping mall at all. Take no notice of me. And we wanted to go into a few of the other shops as well, so that's what we did. And yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. I hope you're all well. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, as I always say, be kind to you, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.